Talk about the tropics.
Hurricane Center now issuing advisories on potential tropical cyclone number 1. So what does that mean? It means that we have a system out here that has not yet become a depression or a tropical storm, but we think that it's likely to. There it is right there. It's got a 90% chance of developing, and within the next 48 hours, it's going to impact land, particularly South Florida. So what this allows the Hurricane Center to do is go ahead and issue a forecast cone. That's what they've done. They expect it to become a minimal tropical storm by Saturday and then make landfall across Florida during the day on Saturday, Friday night through Saturday. Very rainy. Could see 10, 12 inches of rain here, and then it races off into the open Atlantic. No impacts to Texas or the northern Gulf Coast. Outside right now, things are quiet as a mouse. It's 80 degrees right now, 1 degree cooler than yesterday at this time. Dew point's at 66. Showers have finally pushed through, and we've got this one lone little shower here on the Brazoria County coastline. A couple of flashes of lightning down there just south and west of the western tip of Galveston Island. Brazosport, good evening. You're getting a rain shower here just south of Angleton. That one went through Clute. That's going to push on south and will fizzle out here pretty quickly. So off it goes as we look at future track. By 1 a.m., all's quiet. Then we go into tomorrow morning. This is 7 a.m., just warm and humid. Now you'll notice a little piece of energy is going to roll out of central Texas tomorrow during the day. This is 1 o'clock. We're still just hot and humid. We might see that kick off a few little scattered showers around tomorrow evening, but it doesn't look like a whole lot of rain out of that. Just a heads up, going into Saturday morning, 6 a.m., there may be a few scattered showers around as well. We look at Friday's forecast. We'll start mild. We'll end up hot. We go to 92 with a 30% chance for a scattered thunder shower tomorrow afternoon. The extended forecast has a hot weekend. 94 Saturday, 96 Sunday, mid to upper 90s all next week.